Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about disabling widgets on your Windows 11 computer. So while some people may have a use for them and others might find them annoying and unuseful, and then I'll show you how to disable these features. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings, and then next, i-click mo lang tong open. So dito sa settings, and then ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung personalization. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang dito mag-scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung taskbar. Okay? So ito siya. So taskbar, behaviors, and system pins, and then click mo lang yan. Okay, so dito sa taskbar items ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung widgets. Ito siya. Right, so show or hide buttons that appear on the taskbar. Okay, so kung paano ba natin i-disable yung widgets. So dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung button niya. So i-toggle off mo siya. And then dito sa taskbar ay makita mo dito na na-hide na yung or na-disable na yung widgets. So kapag tinoggle on mo siya, and then makita mo dito yung widgets. Ito siya mga kaibigan. Alright. So, click mo lang itong button niya. Ganito siya. Okay, so, ganun lang po kasimple on how to easily and quickly disable widgets on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.